Oh. Este un payaso. Did you fill up your cup with ice? Did you fill it up all the way with ice?
I did.
Payaso.
You pull the Felix?
Pick up your mess before you start playing.
Hey, what you doing?
Did it go in the trash?
No.
What you mean it ain't?
It really went on top.
But did you put it in the trash afterwards?
I tried to like shot it in, but it went on the top. So I grabbed it.
Leo is the Badlands chugs of food.
It's the one.
The Badlands.
Badlands Chugs.
You blew up the middle
Think
finger.
that Chugsies?
You know, Dane Brock. You remember that big dude that he was eating with all the time? That's him.
Badlands Chugs, he chugs a bunch of stuff.
He tried to chug the ocean, he failed.
But he'll be back next year.
What the?
He'll never stop.
He even recorded trying to drink the ocean.
He's a big cornball. I can't say that.
He's a big
Cornball. He has das Boot. You know what that is?
Man, I haven't watched a good Badlands Chug.
Everything he drinks it out of this boot. It's a glass boot.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like comically large glass boots.
Yeah, no, I see.
No. Because you know I'll start beating the crap out of you.
Yeah, but with the top.
You know what that is?
One straw.
No matter who's on your own, I'm still gonna beat you.
I know. You didn't want it.
It's the account. Theo, look behind
Hey,
you.
shout out to Taco Bell.
No shout outs to Taco Bell. Their Whopper. Wait.
How you at Taco Bell eating chicken?
That's not us.
Because we built
That's
it.
the one.
You ain't being true to your
It's called being built.
Yeah, yeah. Saben bueno, saben bueno. De eating the straw.
Pero me dieron una tortilla todo crushed.
El taco está joto.
Fresh tortilla.
Él está haciendo el culo.
Fresh tortilla.
It's not tortilla, it's tortilla.
I can say however I want. It's a great country.
Yeah, but then you just sound like a white
No, you
Nada más
put
viene aquí porque yo soy la que cocina. Sí.
Está bien.
Cada vez que lleva mi nene siempre relajando y volviendo con uno.
Really?
Parece que hoy parece estar de mala muerte. A lo mejor estaba relajando con el radio, él estaba cantando y bailando y brincando como una tuba. ¿No sacaste video?
No, you like to get beat.
¿No sacaste video porque te gusta sacar video? Esto fue cuando me bajó, ¿tú me entiendes?
Y yo no entré.
Yo no te conozco, nunca
tío.
me que yo estaba aquí, te estoy diciendo lo que quiero. Eso es todo. No tienes que bajarme cuando me
Why
bajas.
are you monkey?
How dare you come
Y para que no me
here
cogieran el
and
cocote ni
Yo,
nada por eso,
cola,
me
no.
equivoqué. Es que él siente no del cocote, él no coge para agua, no coge para
Yo.
agua. Entonces yo la cogí para allá.
My name is Donkey.
Entonces me decidí la vez a mi hermana y lo que estaba pasando.
My name is Donkey. Whoa. Shut up. My name is Donkey. No.
Mama, Jill gonna post that to YouTube.
Oh, you gonna post me on YouTube?
¿Tú paraste ahí?
You
Oh my
already
God.
The camera was here first.
Please tag me in my YouTube
La
channel.
bien, está promocionando el Taco Bell en Hamilton.
Yo, this
The best
is
tacos
no
in town.
fail.
If you're ever in New Jersey, Hamilton, come
Yo,
here.
this is no fail.
Don't tell him I sent you.
Stop. Stop.
Lorenzo, you got a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Get out of here.
Huh?
You be posting?
Yeah.
Wait, what was it?
I make anime edits.
Acuérdate que no puedes entrar a YouTube en la casa, va a poder hacer YouTube videos.
Él
I
puede,
got 26 subscribers.
Él tiene su cuenta. Pero como la cuenta de Benito, de
No!
nosotros,
You
se
idiot.
pasa fotografiando todas las mierdas que hace.
You idiot. That's gonna go viral. Let me go, you.
I already told you about that.
No mames, güey, te pasan ahora.
No, sí, yo oí ahorita que dijo algo, estaba jugando y yo, wow.
Yo, this is no freaking fail. This is no fail.
Yo, how many subscribers you got?
He lost count after the first few.
I wish. I don't even got 100. That is 74. That's from this one, but I got another YouTube channel that got over 1,000 subscribers.
Got taken down because
Nah.
so much food.
Not produced.
I'm fighting this.
Se quema la boca, carajo. You don't do the Diablo sauce?
I don't know.
This is sweet.
That's too much.
Say Diablo for a reason.
I give you a quarter, you do it.
She said a quarter.
Quarter. You should have took my dollar when I done it.
She said,
No. You said that you eat pepper.
Was us beating?
You?
I'm beating a small animal.
Lorenzo? Didn't he say that he eat peppers in the birthday party? When you was like, this is spicy. That's not. I ate the peppers. That's what you said. It's Sarah's birthday party. Yeah, you lying now.
Stop it.
Yo, ain't like the little sprinkles of pepper, ain't that like black pepper?
That
we got the
oregano.
red flaky pepper.
That's
with-
oregano.
No, there's black pepper.
There's
Okay,
black
but
pepper.
it was oregano. Era Italian home.
Oh. Or
Italian
red
seasoning.
pepper flakes.
It was probably pepper.
The jalapeno popping with Burger King, they ain't
Nah.
That's fast food like that.